Hey guys, welcome back to Clutch Kit Garage. Today we're going to be doing a fuel filter on the E46 wagon. So your fuel filter is hidden underneath this little rock shield here. There's two 8mm nuts over there, and there's 1, 2, 3 down here. Take those off and get the shield out of the way. There we go. Alright guys, next you're going to have this clamp here with a 10mm bolt. That's holding up the fuel pump to the chassis. And this slides out and it just hooks into this rail right here. I'm going to take my fuel line clamp here. Make sure that's on nice and tight. You're going to want to make sure you can clamp off all of these fuel lines as best you can. You're going to make a mess no matter what you do. So have a catch pan down here, which I'm going to get right now. So we got our 5mm socket here. We're going to go ahead and take off the fuel filter side. I got a pack of new hose clamps because I'd rather not reuse these things if I can help it. I'm going to take them all the way off before I separate the line, that way they're not in my way. This won't keep the fuel from coming out, but it'll at least slow it down while I'm trying to work on it here. There we go. Get a flathead in there, kind of help pry the corners. This is going to drop out of my hands on the ground. There we go. Move that guy. Dumping fuel all over the place. Pull these guys right back in. Boom. I got the front. This thing is filling while I'm doing this, which is super handy. Yeah. Keeps up this 8mm. This is still a brand new hose clamp, so I'm going to salvage that. There's no point in taking that off. There we go. It's going to be a quick process here. There we go. Boom. Got the sending line on. Tighten her down. You'll notice this is not a factory line. I'm mildly building this car like a drift car, so everything's as easily serviceable as possible. There we go. I'm just going to use some pliers to kind of nip these and aid in the removal of them. They're stainless steel, so they are rather hard. Oh, come on. Be careful not to nick your fuel line in this process, as you'll be then catching your entirety of your gas tank. I hate this part of filming how-to videos. This is all edited out. Nate's gonna edit every bit of this thing out. The reality of me just struggling with one stupid 1/4-inch hose clamp because I'm a terrible human and don't know how to. Thank goodness this is a low pressure system. There we go. Fresh hose clamp on. I am living a lie. There we go. New hose clamps are on. I'm actually going to replace that forward one too. Yeah, there we go. There's all that back pressure. Part of the reason I'm changing these are they're all the same size, whereas the old ones weren't. So that's why next time I'm down here, I'm not fighting with odd size things. And yes, I need new brake lines. I see that. Don't hate me, I'm poor. I own a BMW. All right, guys, you're gonna come in, turn your key forward, let it prime. Where'd it go? There it is. Check for leaks. Once it builds up to pressure, it'll shut off. You should be all set. All right, guys, now that it's all primed, there you go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video and you want to see more of it, follow me. I'm on Instagram and TikTok, and I'm gonna have a lot more maintenance videos as this vehicle needs a lot more maintenance. So you'll see a lot more of that stuff here in the future.